Start with a question instead of a standard intro, creating a hook and building out context before jumping into the main content. End the script sharply using. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star. Do not include scene or narrator information, just the script. Tired of playing phone tag with your clients? Sick of double booking yourself and scrambling to reschedule? Are you looking for a way to streamline your business, save time, and keep your calendar perfectly organized? If you've ever nodded vigorously to any of those questions, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into Vagaro, the all-in-one solution that's changing the game for countless businesses just like yours. We all know the struggle. You're a passionate professional, whether you're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a fitness instructor, or run a bustling salon. Your craft is your focus, but the administrative burden of managing appointments, client details, and even payments can quickly become overwhelming. It eats into your valuable time, creates unnecessary stress, and can even lead to missed opportunities. Imagine a world where clients can effortlessly book with you online, where you can see your entire schedule at a glance, and where reminders are sent automatically, drastically reducing no-shows. That's not just a pipe dream. It's the reality Vagaro offers. Vagaro isn't just a booking system. It's a comprehensive platform designed to empower beauty, wellness, and fitness professionals. From seamless online booking and integrated payment processing to detailed client management and powerful marketing tools, Vagaro aims to simplify your daily operations and free you up to do what you do best. It allows you to transform chaos into order, giving you back precious hours in your day and helping you focus on delivering exceptional service. So, how exactly do you harness this power? How do you schedule on Vagaro and unlock its full potential? That's what we're going to break down step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your services and availability to managing appointments on the go. By the end of this video, you'll be a Vagaro scheduling pro, ready to take control of your calendar and your business. Let's get started with the absolute basics. Getting your services set up in Vagaro. This is crucial because it's what your clients will see and choose from when they book online. First, you'll need to log into your Vagaro account, either through the desktop platform or the Vagaro Pro app on your mobile device. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you should find your way around easily. Look for a section often labeled Services and Classes, or Menu. Here, you'll be able to add each service you offer. For each service, you'll want to specify a name, a detailed description, the duration of the appointment, and the price. You can also add add-ons, which are extra services clients can choose to enhance their main booking, like a deep conditioning treatment with a haircut or a hot stone addition to a massage. Be precise with your durations. This directly impacts your availability. Vagaro allows for a lot of customization, so take your time to accurately reflect your offerings. Once your services are defined, the next critical step is setting your availability. This tells Vagaro when you're open for business and when clients can book with you. Navigate to your calendar or schedule settings. Here, you can set your regular working hours for each day of the week. But life isn't always regular, right? Vagaro understands that. You can also block off personal time, holidays, or any periods when you're unavailable. This is crucial for preventing accidental double bookings and ensuring your personal time is respected. You can even set specific availability for different services or staff members if you have a team. Vagaro's calendar is highly visual, often using color coding to make it easy to see what's booked, what's available, and who's doing what. Now for the main event, scheduling an appointment. There are two primary ways this happens: clients booking online and you manually booking an appointment. Let's talk about clients booking online first. This is where Vagaro truly shines in terms of convenience. Once you've set up your services and availability, your Vagaro booking page becomes accessible to your clients. You can link this page from your website, social media, or even your Google My Business profile. When a client visits your booking page, they'll see your services, your available times, and can select their preferred date and time. They'll enter their contact information, and if you require it, payment details or a deposit. Vagaro sends automated confirmation emails and text messages, keeping your clients informed and reducing no-shows. This hands-off approach frees up a tremendous amount of your time, allowing you to focus on serving clients rather than managing their booking requests. But what about when a client calls you directly, or you need to schedule a walk-in? That's where manual booking comes in, and Vagaro makes it incredibly simple. From your Vagaro calendar view, simply select an available time slot. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to create a new appointment. You'll then search for and select the client. If they're a new client, you can quickly add their details. Next, you'll choose the service they're booking and any relevant add-ons. The system will automatically calculate the duration and price. You can then add internal notes about the appointment or the client, which are visible only to you and your staff. Before confirming, you'll review all the details, and then with a single click, the appointment is booked and appears on your calendar. It's fast, efficient, and ensures all the necessary information is captured. Vagaro also offers advanced scheduling features that are incredibly useful as your business grows. You can schedule multiple appointments for a single client back-to-back, which is perfect for services that require different stages, like a color and a cut. You can also create recurring appointments for clients who book regularly, saving you time on repetitive tasks. For businesses that offer classes or group sessions, Vagaro has dedicated features for class scheduling, allowing multiple attendees to book into a single slot. What if something changes? Vagaro makes rescheduling and cancellations a breeze. On your calendar, you can simply drag and drop appointments to new times or even new dates. When you do, Vagaro gives you the option to automatically notify the client of the change, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Similarly, canceling an appointment is just a few clicks away, with options to manage refunds if a deposit was paid. This flexibility is key to managing unexpected changes without causing a ripple effect of confusion. Beyond just booking, Vagaro's scheduling capabilities are deeply integrated with its other features. When you book an appointment, the client's information is automatically added to your client database. This allows you to track their service history, preferences, and even notes about their last visit, helping you provide a more personalized experience. The system also ties into Vagaro's marketing tools, allowing you to send targeted promotions or reminders based on client activity. And of course, the schedule feeds directly into the POS system for easy checkout. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.